To all the youth and teenagers out there, let me tell you, motivation is a trap. If you really want to succeed at any part of your life, then focus less on motivation, whether it's internal or external. Focus more on the habits that you had developed in your day-to-day life. Hey everyone, Tanveer Arif this side, a real founder of a pseudo company GrowVeer. वेल आज के वीडियो का टॉपिक काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव दैट देयर इज़ नो सब्सटीट्यूट ऑफ हैबिट्स, एटलीस्ट जब बात एक अच्छे बदलाव की हो. सो लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड टुगेदर इन द वीडियो एंड नो व्हाट आर द powerful habits which we can acquire for our personal growth and success. Well, remember, don't miss the end of this video because there I would be suggesting you few amazing books based on the science and techniques behind habit and habit loop. Now let's move forward and discuss the habit number 1 of today's video, which is introspection. In this real generation where there exists a bunch of crooks to capture your time by simply giving you instant gratification. Yes, definitely it's really hard to sit alone, but trust me, sitting alone with oneself and observing the kind of thoughts running in your mind will simply calm you down and let the hurdles of your mind settle down. If you are skipping this habit in your life, then you have no idea what you are missing out. But you need not to feel FOMO about it because introspection is very subjective. You can give it a try, and if it benefits you, then you can continue it. Habit number 2, journaling or writing. And from here, I mean writing down your opinions, thoughts, and your frustration. You can write it on any piece of paper or even digitally. And you probably know our mind is fully messed up, and here you can thank social media for this bigger achievement. You know, in general, we complain for not having clarity in our life. We keep roaming in the streets of our mind and for asking for a clear vision or a clear path. But wait, that's not how it happens. If you want clarity in your life or you want peace in your life, then the answer is very simple. Develop writing habit. Writing your messed up thought will help you to have clarity about it. Writing when you are in extreme situations, whether you are happy, sad or angry, will simply save you from getting into very big problems which will be coming your way. So simply you can keep your extremes in between pages, क्योंकि pages आपको कभी भी judge नहीं करेंगे. Habit number 3, debate. If you are in a school or in a college, please do participate in debates because it has lots of benefits related to it, which will simply add value in your personal and your professional life. Participation in debates will simply help you to improve your communication skills, and why not? It could be a good way to develop your own opinion about things, and above all, good debates teach us to see things from both ends, which I will say a very necessary habit to develop. Now let's move on to the 4th habit, which is be an observer. As Sherlock Holmes said, the world is full of obvious things which nobody by any chance ever observes. Well, according to me, becoming an observer is one of the most required soft skills of every individual of today's generation. Just remember one thing, the schools and any of the education system is not going to teach you any of the soft skills required to survive in this 21st century, at least not the existing one. And here the funny thing is, you can only get to know about it through your observation. A simple definition of observation is being aware of the things happening around you. And if your mind is closed, then remember, the system is set to shape your mentality as a herd mentality for the rest of your life. So the best way to win this battle and to discover yourself is to become an observer. Habit number 5, power of silence. Silence speaks louder than words. I hope you had already heard this statement multiple times earlier in your life. But why so? How silence can speak when there is no word in itself? Well, let's do some analysis through a post by Sandeep Maheshwari. You can see here Maheshwari ji listed 4 points explaining how silence can be a good answer. As you can see, point number 1 sum up that you deny your opponent's satisfaction as they craves a reaction, but your answer is silence. Now here number 2 is you rise above the fray. Here fray means fight. So simply, when your opponent try to frustrate you and wants you to respond in frustration, but your reply is silence, then clearly it demonstrates your maturity and your composure. Now here's the third point which we were talking about in the beginning of the video. Silence speaks volumes. When someone seeks to provoke you, but your response is silence, then it shows them that you are not concerned about their act and their behavior at all. And that's how you won some battles without words. Well, being silent in some situation is definitely a very powerful habit to develop. So if you are still tuned with me, so congratulations, your attention span is quite good. इसी बात पे रिवॉर्ड तो बनता है. So yeah, here's the name of the 3 books which you can see on the screen, which I promised earlier in this video. You can buy these books online or from any bookstore in your locality if it's possible. And remember, reading books can also be a very highly value adding habit for you. So yeah, with this, let's end this video here. If this video sounds helpful in any way, then hit that like button and do subscribe to our channel GrowVeer. Thank you.